Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 18, The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once there was a monkey who lived in a fruit tree near a river. One day, he made friends with a crocodile who swam in the river. They became good pals, and the crocodile visited the monkey every day. One day, the crocodile asked the monkey to take him for a ride on his back to meet his family and share tasty fruits. The monkey agreed, and they started their journey across the river. While swimming, the crocodile revealed a wicked plan to the monkey. He wanted to eat the monkey and give him to his family, who had never tasted monkey meat before. The monkey got frightened, but quickly thought of a plan to save himself. The monkey said, "Oh, my dear friend, it's such a shame you didn't tell me earlier. I left my heart on the tree. If we go back, I'll fetch it for you." The crocodile, excited by the thought of a delicious meal, agreed to turn around and go back to the tree. When they reached the tree, the monkey climbed up and started throwing fruits to the crocodile. The crocodile happily ate the fruits without suspecting the monkey's plan. The monkey kept throwing fruits and entertained the crocodile with his playful tricks, keeping him busy. As it grew dark, the crocodile realized he had been fooled and felt silly. He begged the monkey for forgiveness and promised never to harm him again. The monkey forgave him and continued their friendship. However, he became more cautious and never strayed far from his tree. From that day on, the monkey and the crocodile remained friends. But the monkey never forgot the importance of being cautious and careful about whom to trust. Moral: trust should be earned and not blindly given. It is essential to be cautious and wise in choosing our friends. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.